Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tife here. If it's your first time, thank you for tuning in. Today is going to be a bald cap installation video. This is the first time ever of me trying it. So right now I'm just dapping my hair with water, then brushing to the back, then I'm going to tie it. Anyone might be wondering what happened to my front hair. Well, the video is up there. Okay, not necessarily tie it, but like braiding down into a knot. Yeah, so I'm getting my got-to-be spray just to give it extra hold, and then I decided to tie it with a scarf afterwards because my friend advised me to do that. She's like hairstylist, but did not really make a difference because I didn't wait for long. I had work to do, so I could not tie it for so long, but it's kind of helped a bit. So this is the bald cap I'll be using. I got it from AliExpress, and honestly I don't even understand the bald cap. To be honest, at some point it looked really weird, so I tried to fix it into my head after taking off my scarf, and then yeah, keep watching. I think the bald cap was kind of smaller in size than I expected, because if it's bigger or longer, it's going to give you more space to trim, and I felt it was so soft. I don't know, probably that's how it normally is, but oh no, I did not know what that was. But yeah, I was trying to trim it out here. I was trying to be really careful because I don't want like a lot of excess, and I don't want to also cut out a lot of so I was trying to be really careful here, and yeah, I was done trimming and I was ready to glue it. I got the Ghost Bond glue, yeah, and probably I should have gotten a more stronger adhesive, but this was what my friend recommended to me that day, and this was what I used. So I had to wait for it to dry since I don't have a blow dryer, and well, I decided to go on with the rest of the process. So guys, that is all. Basically, that is just all I did. So keep watching and enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share to someone that might find this helpful. And I just went over to clean probably the excess of the glue with a wet wipe, and you guys, that is all. We are done with this video. 2 minutes, we are done. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and yeah, you guys see the final look. Bye.